You know, I said I was gonna vlog all of the moving, and I haven't done anything yet. Oh my gosh! How did that just happen?
It knows we're leaving, so it's like, alright, now it's time to get the deposit back, bitches. Honestly, I do not know.
You totally screwed it up.
A bit of a fucking marionette.
Problem solver. Please turn that down, we can't get copyrighted. I'd like to make money one day.
Hell nah, bruh.
Please?
I got you.
Okay, bye. True life. Had my last day of work today. Cried. Yeah. Great. Project right now is to pack all of my makeup, which isn't as much as it was because I got rid of a lot of it. I did film a decluttering haul. Lost that footage. So that's not gonna be a video. This is such a mess because I literally just not cared. And we're not bringing this with because it's really broken. But, oh, okay. We have this mess to clean up. Game plan is fit as much in these drawers as possible. This is very, very old and empty. So that they're like, not just loosely in that box, but fit all of that, put them in the box, along with whatever doesn't fit in those drawers. Checking in. This is what we're at. All the drawers have been emptied. And this is the current situation. I just realized that I didn't ever empty this drawer. Nice. Gray on gray. Packing fashion. Yikes.
Yeah, no, fucking shithole.
This looks like a hoarder's house. I don't know what Drew just said to me after moving probably 10 things. Weren't you planning on vlogging all of this? Yeah. Yes, I was, Drew. Thanks for the reminder after. Still disaster zone. But my corner desk is gone that I normally film in front of. And we moved out my beauty stuff. And that's all the stuff that's collected behind it. Next is the headboard. So I need to clear that off. Tapestry is coming down.
Cool, we might sleep on a nail tonight.
Nice.
I don't know where that went.
It's your pulling it out weird. Isn't the bed like so hard to stand on because it's just so squishy?
Because it's what?
So squishy.
Because it's squidgy.
Squidgy.
Gotcha.
Okay. Hello, Katie's here to help. What up?
What up?
We're finishing up my closet and packing that up.
She's also vlogging everything.
Vlogception.
Oh shoot.
So make sure to check out my channel for my vlog.
And check out hers as well. Wait,
Yeah.
mine as well. Check out mine as well, is what I meant, so.
Yes. Hello. New day. This is the current situation. Yikes. You're going outside to clean my car.
Somehow we have the exact same, like, bottom, like, butt to head outfit on, basically. Like, color, and we have, like, this right here, up. We have a bun, we have the same color.
Shouldn't even coordinate. I don't know in your life. My car is well loved. I use it for everything,
Yeah,
including living in. And
so that's what we're doing, is we're
yeah,
cleaning.
we're just gonna pull it over by our dumpster and start pitching things. This was literally supposed to be emptied like 2 hours ago. I have issues. Bethany. Newton Senior High School 2018.
Derek Langgrave.
18. This is you.
Well, I get it. I just get stuffed in the back of the car.
I took these pictures, bro. It's hard to know what happened here.
Ow. Temp high, allow it to cool.
Yeah.
Where's Bethany?
Did they yeet it out the window?
Yeah, literally. Where's Bethany?
Not bad.
Oh. Well, she wanted me to do whatever this is for her. But the thing is, I gotta do it for me. Ooh. So it kind of sucks.
I was told to update because Katie said she didn't do a good job.
This is basically what I did.
I'd say that's a good job.
Yeah, me too.
Update. Chair's gone. They threw it off the balcony. And
Now it's over there.
now it's way down there. Alright guys, one room is officially 100% empty.
So real quick, I just want to say that Bethany lost this, which is the charger, and both of her charging like things. This one's at 3%, and I just put that one on, and it was my fault. I put it in here.
We are 99% done here. Got everything minus what's going on in here. So we are currently on our way to my parents' house. So we ended up packing much faster than we thought we would. We were planning on staying one more night at our place, but since we packed everything up, we have nothing to sleep on, obviously. We're headed to my parents' place so that we can sleep there tonight, and then we're gonna head over really early in the morning to shampoo again, and then 3:15 is our inspection and key turn-in tomorrow. Just wanted to update you guys, say goodbye for this vlog, and I probably won't vlog it all tomorrow because like there's not really anything exciting, but then we leave really early Wednesday morning. Anyway, I just wanted to say goodbye, and I will see you guys all in the next video when we are traveling. Bye guys, I'll see you all in my next video, and don't forget to spread positivity. Bye guys.